Manganese is widely distributed in the biosphere, but very little in the human body. Manganese
压滚作为压球机的核心零部件，其重要性就不用多说了。在采购设备的时候，滚皮的材质关系到设备的耐磨性能。目前市场上压滚材质主要有这3类：一、65锰滚皮，滚皮表面的硬度、耐磨性、抗腐蚀能力都得到了大幅提升；二、锻造9个2钼滚皮，通过淬火回火，使滚皮获得
inclined iron pressure structure, mainly used in non-hydraulic constant pressure ball press. Convenient structure adjustment will not cause wear. Its structure is to adjust the screw inclined iron downward movement, backloading another inclined iron to provide a fixed thrust to the floating press roller, so that the press roller can work normally for a long time on the frame installed with reaction spring device and sliding track. Manganese powder ball press. If the pressure is very large, the passive wheel on the track can be flexible telescopic to ensure that the mechanical parts will not be damaged, to ensure the normal operation of mechanical equipment.